Did you know that using liquid seaweed fertilizer can boost your plant growth by up to 40% and double your harvest in just 2 weeks? That's right, 40%. Whether you're growing tomatoes, cucumbers, or leafy greens, this one simple trick can take your garden from struggling to thriving faster than you ever thought possible. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Hey gardeners, ever wondered if there's a secret to getting twice the harvest without twice the effort? Well, guess what? There is. And today, I'm sharing a game-changing hack that can double your harvest in just 2 weeks. Let's dive in. First off, this is not about buying expensive fertilizers or spending endless hours in the dirt. The hack I'm about to reveal is simple, natural, and highly effective. Now, before we get to the secret, let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed how some plants just seem to thrive while others struggle, even when you give them the same care? It's not just luck. The difference often comes down to nutrition and how well your plants can actually use the resources you provide. Plants, just like us, need a balanced diet to grow strong and productive. But here's the catch, not all nutrients are created equal. Some fertilizers feed the soil but take time to break down, while others work instantly to nourish your plants directly. And that's where today's hack comes in. This little bottle is the secret sauce that's been turning my garden into a powerhouse. Liquid seaweed fertilizer is rich in trace minerals, amino acids, and plant hormones that boost growth and encourage plants to produce more fruit. And the best part? It works fast. So fast that you'll start seeing results in just days. Here's how I use it. I mix 1 capful of liquid seaweed into a gallon of water. Super easy. Then, I spray it directly leaves of my plants every 3 to 5 days. This method, called foliar feeding, allows the plants to absorb nutrients instantly through their leaves, giving them a direct energy boost. As you spray, make sure to cover both the top and bottom of the leaves. That's where the magic happens. And don't worry, it's completely safe for the plants and the environment. By adding this simple step to your routine, you'll not only see bigger, healthier plants but also more flowers and fruit, faster than you thought possible. Imagine doubling your harvest in just 2 weeks. This is living proof that it works, and trust me, once you try it, you'll never look back. Stick around because up next, I'm going to share another pro tip that makes this hack even more effective. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. This little bottle might not look like much, but it holds the key to supercharging your garden. Seaweed extract is a natural wonder, packed with over 60 trace minerals, amino acids, and powerful plant hormones like cytokinins, auxins, and gibberellins. These nutrients and hormones do more than just feed your plants. They stimulate cell division, enhance root development, and improve nutrient uptake. In simple terms, it's like giving your plants an energy drink, but without any harmful chemicals. One of the things I love most about seaweed extract is how versatile it is. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or even houseplants, it works wonders across the board. To use it, all you need is 1 capful per gallon of water. You can apply it as a foliar spray or pour it directly into the soil. Either way, your plants will soak up the benefits in no time. When applied to the leaves, the seaweed extract works its magic almost instantly. It's absorbed directly through the foliage, giving plants an immediate boost of energy and vitality. If you're looking for a natural, easy, and affordable way to double your harvest, this is it. Seaweed extract is a must-have for any gardener who wants to take their garden to the next level. Take a look at this side-by-side comparison. This was 2 weeks ago. Pale leaves, slow growth, and barely any fruit. Now, these same plants are lush, vibrant, and full of life. And it's not just about appearances. This growth translates directly into higher yields. Look at this beauty. This tomato is bigger, juicier, and more vibrant than ever. That's the power of giving your plants exactly what they need, nutrients that are easily absorbed and optimized for growth. And it's not just for fruits and vegetables. Your herbs will thrive too. With seaweed extract, my basil grows faster and produces bigger, more flavorful leaves. It's like unlocking the full potential of every plant in your garden. The difference is incredible. Fresher, more fragrant, and ready to take your cooking to the next level. Now, let me show you another way to use seaweed extract. While foliar spraying is great for an instant boost, watering it directly into the soil feeds the roots, encouraging deep, healthy root systems. This strengthens your plants from the ground up, making them more resilient and productive. Stronger roots mean better nutrient uptake, which leads to healthier plants and, of course, a bigger harvest. Here's the bottom line. Seaweed extract is the ultimate gardening hack. It's natural, easy to use, and delivers incredible results in record time. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is one tool you don't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Grab some seaweed extract. Give your plants the boost they deserve. Wonders for all kinds of plants, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and even houseplants. Let me show you how it's done. First, give your seaweed extract a good shake to make sure everything is evenly mixed. It's all natural, so sometimes the nutrients settle at the bottom. Don't let that gold go to waste. The general rule of thumb is 1 capful per gallon of water, but always check the instructions on your bottle. This concentration is perfect for most plants, giving them the nutrients they need without overwhelming them. Now, pour the seaweed extract into your watering can. Give it a good stir to make sure it's fully diluted. This mixture is now ready to feed your plants, either directly through the soil or by foliar spray. If you want to use it as a foliar spray, transfer some of the mixture into a spray bottle. This method is super effective because plants can absorb nutrients directly through their leaves. It's like a quick energy drink for your plants. When you're spraying, make sure to cover both the top and underside of the leaves. The undersides have tiny pores called stomata, which are perfect for absorbing nutrients. This is where the magic really happens. Foliar feeding works quickly, so you'll start seeing improvements in just a few days. Your plants will look greener, stronger, and more vibrant. Now, for root feeding, simply pour the solution around the base of the plant like this. The roots will absorb the nutrients over time, promoting strong, healthy growth from below. This method is perfect for supporting long-term plant health and bigger harvests. That's it. It's that simple. Whether you're spraying the leaves or watering the soil, liquid seaweed fertilizer is one of the easiest and most effective ways to nourish your garden. And the best part? You can repeat this process every 3 to 5 days for max results. So, grab your seaweed extract, mix it up, and give your plants a boost. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how quickly they respond. This is what it's all about. Just 2 weeks ago, my garden was barely producing. And now, look at this, a basket overflowing with some of the freshest, healthiest vegetables you can imagine, straight from my backyard. Each one of these veggies is a testament to how powerful simple changes can be. With a little care, the right nutrients, and the magic of liquid seaweed fertilizer, my plants have gone from struggling to thriving, and my harvest has more than doubled. Take this tomato, for example. It's not just bigger. It's richer in flavor and packed with nutrients. There's something so satisfying about growing your own food and knowing exactly where it came from. And the best part? This isn't just about quantity. It's about quality, too. When you give your plants the nutrients they need, they reward you with produce that's tastier, healthier, and so much more rewarding to eat. I think I might need a bigger basket next time. And it's not just vegetables. This technique works for flowers, herbs, and fruits too. Imagine what you could do in your own garden. So, whether you're just starting your garden or looking to take it to the next level, this is your sign to try liquid seaweed fertilizer. With just a little effort, you can turn your garden into a thriving paradise and enjoy harvests like this one all season long. This isn't just about gardening. It's about creating something amazing, connecting with nature, and enjoying the fruits of your labor, literally. And trust me, it's worth every moment. Stick around because up next, I'll share some pro tips to make this process even more effective. Let's keep growing together. Look at these. In just 2 weeks, my plants are bigger, greener, and bursting with produce. It's like giving them a turbo boost. Take a look at this transformation. On the left, you can see how my garden looked just 2 weeks ago. Small plants, pale leaves, and barely any signs of fruit. Now look at the right side. It's a completely different story. Healthy, vibrant plants, and a harvest that's practically spilling over. This tomato plant was struggling to stay alive. The leaves were turning yellow, the flowers were dropping, and I honestly wasn't expecting much of a harvest. But after using liquid seaweed fertilizer consistently for just 2 weeks, this is what happened. The plant is thriving. It's loaded with tomatoes, and the leaves are greener and stronger than ever. And check out this lettuce. On day 1, it looked sad and stunted, barely enough for a single salad. Now, these heads are so full and healthy. I've been harvesting fresh leaves every day. This is what a little boost of nutrition can do. The best part? This transformation didn't take months of waiting. With just a little effort and the right technique, you can see these kinds of results in just 14 days. This is why I love gardening. Seeing these kinds of results is so rewarding, and it proves that small changes can make a huge difference. Liquid seaweed fertilizer gave my plants exactly what they needed to thrive, and it can do the same for yours. If you've been dreaming of a garden like this, now is the time to try this hack. It's easy, it's natural, and the results speak for themselves. Imagine doubling your harvest in just 2 weeks. Your garden will thank you. And here's the pro tip. Pair this with proper pruning and consistent watering. Remove dead leaves and overcrowded stems to help your plants focus on producing more fruit. There you have it, the secret to doubling your harvest in just 2 weeks. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening hacks. Happy gardening. And here's to your most